5 Ninja Air Fryer 2026. Let's dive into the details. Number 5, 6-in-1 Indoor Grill and Air Fryer, Smart XL. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the Ninja foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. Say goodbye to guesswork and smoke. This powerhouse delivers authentic grill marks and crispy air-fried favorites with up to 75% less fat. Thanks to cyclonic grilling technology and the Smart Cook system with built-in thermometer, your steak comes out perfectly medium rare and chicken juicy every time. No more overcooking. The XL capacity fits 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs, so family dinners and meal prep are a breeze. Plus, it air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates, replacing multiple appliances. With minimal smoke and maximum flavor, it's grilling freedom indoors. Includes grill grate, crisper basket, smart thermometer, and 15 chef-created recipes to get you started. Number 4, 6-in-1 glass air fryer for healthy cooking. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 6-in-1 glass air fryer that does it all beautifully. With a powerful 1800-watt system and modular glassware, 2.5 QT for QT and 6 QT, it air fries, bakes, roasts, dehydrates, and more. Perfect for weeknight dinners or feeding a crowd. The non-toxic, thermal shock, resistant glass lets you go from frozen to crispy in minutes, while precise temperature control ensures perfect results every time. Snap-lock lids keep leftovers fresh, and the elevated, modern design means you can watch your food cook safely on any countertop. Plus, it comes with crisper plates, storage lids, and a chef-inspired recipe book. Everything you need to cook smarter, healthier, and with style. Number 3, 6-in-1 glass air fryer for healthy, easy cooking. Meet your kitchen's new MVP, the 6-in-1 glass air fryer. With a powerful 1800-watt system and modular clean crisp glassware, 6 QT for QT and 2.5 QT, it effortlessly handles everything from crispy appetizers to a whole 7.5 lb chicken. Perfect for weeknights or feeding a crowd. 6 customizable functions, including air fry, roast, dehydrate, and max crisp, let you cook healthier, faster, and with zero guesswork. The thermal shock, resistant glass goes from freezer to fryer in minutes, while leak-proof lids keep leftovers fresh. Sleek, non-toxic, and elevated for countertop visibility, it's as stylish as it is smart. Cook confidently, store easily, and enjoy crispy perfection every time. Number 2, 13-in-1 stainless steel toaster oven air fryer combo. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 13-in-1 stainless steel toaster oven air fryer combo. With dual heat technology, it sears and crisps simultaneously. Think restaurant-worthy steaks and golden pizza crusts in one go. Whether you're air frying healthier meals, up to 75% less fat, baking, roasting, or dehydrating, its 13 smart functions and built-in foodi smart thermometer take the guesswork out of cooking. Ready in 60 seconds and 65% faster than a traditional oven. It fits a 2 pounds roast or 6 chicken breasts with room to spare. Plus, it flips up to save 45% counter space. Included accessories make setup effortless, so you spend less time prepping and more time enjoying delicious, perfectly cooked meals. Number 1, new arrival, Amazon's top pick. Say hello to your new kitchen MVP, Amazon's top pick French door air fry oven. With the largest air frying capacity in its class, it effortlessly cooks family-sized meals, from 5 pounds of golden fries to whole roasts. 10 built-in functions, including air fry, bake, pizza, and dehydrate, let you do it all 60% faster than conventional ovens. Cyclonic 450 degrees Fahrenheit airflow delivers crispy, even results without rotating, while using up to 75% less fat. The sleek French doors open with one hand, and every surface is PFAS-free for safer cooking. Cleanup? A breeze. All accessories are dishwasher safe. Plus, enjoy 15 chef-crafted recipes to get you started. Versatile, fast, and built for real life, this oven does it all. So, that sums up my 5 Ninja air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great